Welcome to this tutorial on deploying a Hello World app using the Containerized Application Lifecycle Management feature on Orchestra. Let's begin by making sure the devices we want to deploy the app to are already connected to Orchestra and online. To do this, we'll use the OCLI devices command, which will display all the devices currently available for deployment. In the other two terminal windows, we'll use Orchestra's SSH feature to connect to the devices. This step is optional, but useful if you want to monitor the deployment process directly on the devices. To connect, use the OCLI SSH start command to establish a connection to the edge devices. Next, let's check if the devices are already running any Docker containers. This step ensures there are no conflicts before we deploy our new application. Now, back in the terminal on our local machine, let's create a new fleet for the deployment. We'll assign it a name and add a description using the OCLI ComFleet-create command. You can attach devices to your new fleet using OCLI ComFleet-attachDevice command and Fleet ID. Use the interactive selector to add the devices. Next, let's create a new composition, which defines the containerized application we want to deploy. Use the OCLI ComCompositionCreate command and provide a name for your composition. This step sets up the blueprint for the application deployment. Now, let's add a composition to your fleet. Use the command OCLI ComFleetComposition and provide the fleet ID. The interactive selector will guide you in choosing the correct composition to link with your fleet. Next, let's verify that our Docker Compose file is correct. In this case, it's designed to display hello. If you need a reference, you can find this example in our documentation to ensure everything is set up properly. Now, it's time to create a version of our composition. Use the command OCLI ComCompositionVersionCreate and provide the necessary details: the version number, the Docker Compose file, a description for this version, and the composition ID. This step allows you to track changes and manage different iterations of your application. Now, let's release our composition. Use the command OCLI ComReleaseCreate and provide the fleet ID. The interactive selector will help you in choosing the specific composition version you want to release. Once you've made your selection, your release request will be submitted, and you'll see the progress as it's being processed. Now, let's go to our devices and check if the Docker is up. Our new app is running on both devices in the fleet. Finally, let's check the response from the server we just deployed. As expected, we receive hello from both devices. Keep in mind that even though we're demonstrating this with just 2 devices in the fleet, COM allows you to replicate this process across fleets of hundreds of devices, making it scalable and efficient for larger deployments.